Hello, my name is Serge and this is my VBA project for ABE205 class. Before we start, I would like to say that I have a very heavy accent, but I'll do my best to speak as clear as possible for you guys to understand what I'm trying to say. My project is not nothing you can do in life or nothing you can use in life. It's more like a fun project. It's most likely about moving this ball on a sheet based on the code based on the player choose. So the ball move specific based on each player. And on top of that, a commentator, someone who will be commenting about what the data is supposed to be, or like how a commentator comments on the game. Yeah, that's pretty much what my project is about. From a dialog box, I control what kind of player and what time in the game and everything from here. Here, this is a combo box. In this combo box, you are in 20 minutes in the game. You are close to halftime. The game is almost over. You are in overtime. Those are like specific time in the game when I just choose those 3-1 because some halftime, close to halftime, overtime, and stuff like that. The game was important time of the game when big event happen. So on the next combo, we have player. Here you have players like Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, Rio Ferdinand, Ronaldinho, Steven Gerrard. Those are big players from European Championship. So then we have a text box. This text box allows me to control these two frames. It allows me to add more events of what kind of what I want the commentator to say more than just choosing stuff from the frame. But before we talk about how you control these two frames, let's talk about the frame itself. This frame is called kick frame. I have option button who allow me to choose what I want the commentator to say about what the player is doing. Like if I choose Cristiano Ronaldo will be doing something. He will be passing the ball, shoot to goal, kick a free kick and score, dribble the ball and shoot, stuff like that. The second frame is the tackle event frame. So this frame allow me to choose the event who happened after the tackle happened. Suppose a player is tackle. Are we having a penalty kick? Is he getting a red card? Is the player injured? Or the commentator can discuss if the card he gets does he deserve or not, stuff like that. So on the bottom we have accept and save and cancel. This allow me to output the data and this allow me to cancel what I'm trying to do. But now let's talk about this text box. This text box, as soon as I start writing anything inside, it disappear the tackle event box. See? So now when I start writing anything inside this box, this frame stay here so I can choose which option I want to. But I want to put tackler, the player, in this box. The kicks box disappear because I put a tackle event in the box. So now it brings me in the tackle frame. So I have to choose everything who happened like for after a tackle happened. So I can choose if there will be penalty, if you get red card, and the players injured, stuff like that. So that's pretty much what those two stuff do. Okay, but before I show you how this dialog can do, how this dialog work and what it can do, let's go and look a little bit at my code. So this is my code. My code is I use do event to move the ball around the sheet. Like here you can see I ask the ball to move on repetition count with loops. So each time it repeat and I add one more plus one more and on left, top, height, width and rotation. And based on these 5 how you call it, shape of the ball. I can change stuff and move the ball around the way I wanted to. As you can see, each player here have a different way as change the top, the left, the width and stuff like that. So that's pretty much what I did to move the ball around. For the commentator, I choose, instead of just outputting the data in a sheet, I chose to commentate someone to speak the data. It's like commenting on an event, what's happening in the dialog box. So that's pretty much what the code is about. On top of that, let me see. Uh, the last part of the code has I choose to when the text box is not tackle the player, then the frame one disappear and stuff like that. But when it's tackle the player, the frame one appear and thing like that. So that's how I choose to show my my frames and make them disappear. But let's go and so I can show you exactly how this stuff is gonna be working and how the ball are moving. So let's choose we are turning him in a game. I choose Cristiano Ronaldo and I choose shoot to goal and I say and he score. The score is now 2-1. Real Madrid is winning. So that's what I want, the commentator to say. So let's save and accept and save and see how that works.
Welcome to today's game. If you just join us, I am Martin Tyler and this is Alan Smith, your commentators. We are 20 minutes in the game. Cristiano Ronaldo shoots to goal. And he scores. The score is now 2-1. Real Madrid is winning.
So when I choose Cristiano Ronaldo, you see how his ball move, and the commentator he comment on what I asked him to say. Here in this sheet, the data of the dialog box are output here. So welcome to today's game. If you just join us, I'm Martin Tyler. This is Alan Smith, your commentator. We are 20 minutes in the game. Cristiano Ronaldo shoots goal and he scored. The score is now 2-1. Real Madrid is winning. So that's pretty much what the commentator said. So let's choose another player so you can see different player moving. Let's see. What about Steven Shearer? Let's see. You are in overtime. Kick the free kick and score. What an amazing free kick. The game is over. So that's what I want him to say. So let's try that and see. Accept and save.
Welcome to today's game. If you just join us, I am Martin Tyler and this is Alan Smith, your commentators. We are in overtimes. Steven Gerrard kicks the free kick and scores. What an amazing free kick. The game is over.
So you can see how his ball move is moved differently than the one from Cristiano Ronaldo, and what I add to it, the comments are quite different too. So let's try this and do some tackle stuff. So suppose I want, let me see, Roberto, no, I don't have Roberto Carlos, I have Rio Ferdinand, the defender. So tackles the player. So here we can choose, oh, it's a penalty kick, the player, he get a red card, and Tyler, do you think he deserves a red card? So let's try that one. So accept and save.
Welcome to today's game. If you just join us, I am Martin Tyler and this is Alan Smith, your commentators. We are 20 minutes in the game. Rio Ferdinand tackles the player. It is a penalty kick, he gets a red card. Tyler, do you think he deserves a red card?
Okay, that's pretty much what my project is about. What I really wanted to do, it was, if you watch soccer game or you play soccer video game, you see how people comment and what the players doing. That's what kind of code I wanted to write, but we both know that VBA cannot write those type of code. But I'm trying to use what I have to write something similar to it. So that's pretty much what I have here. So thank you, and I hope you enjoy.